Hi guys, welcome to your first flex day. So a flex day, I know this is new this week, but you're going to be getting one a week from now on. And what a flex day is, it allows you to catch up, for you to remediate with a teacher if you need to. Maybe you'll do some enrichment. There will be no new assignments given on a flex day, okay? So this day is really to allow you to catch up, organize, and do what you really need to do, okay? So a couple things that you could be doing today. For any of your classes, if you have missing assignments, you should be working on those missing assignments first, okay? For my classes, if you have anything missing, you can always make it up. So please just send me an email once you finish, and I will update Unified Classroom so that I know that you completed the work, okay? So please, if you're missing something, I'll take anything late, so just submit it to me, okay? The next thing that you could be doing is working on your completed notes. Now, on my Waves homepage, has all the completed notes. It's up to date, so just double check that your notes are correct and that you have the correct information, because you want to make sure you have the correct information that you're studying from, okay? And the other thing that you could be working on, which I think is really important, is when we're in class, if we do work on a paper, I always tell you where in your binder it belongs. But now that you're home and a lot of the things that you're doing are on the computer, it's kind of tough to organize. So I want you guys to be thinking about how you could organize your drive, okay? So if you have your drive up, I want you to click New Folder, and then we are in our current unit of Waves. So you're just going to type in Waves and hit Create, okay? Now, any work we've done during remote learning so far, you're going to put into that Waves folder. Now, I think that's really important. So all your notes are in there, so you know what you need to do, where all of your information is, because right now all your documents are probably mixed in with all your classes, and because everybody's online, you probably have a lot of documents in your drive right now, okay? So this would be helpful for you to do in all your classes. But specifically, if you get all your Wave stuff in that folder, that would be great, because then you have one place to look when we are reviewing for formatives, summatives, etc. Okay, so that was the next thing I wanted to talk about. Was when I gave this survey a couple days ago, a lot of you asked if we were going to do summatives. Since the remote learning has been extended to at least 6 weeks, we can give summatives now. That being said, the 8th grade science department is talking about how and what we want this to look like, because it's a little different than what we would be doing in class typically. So once we get this information, I will get it out to you, and don't you worry, I'll tell you the date, I'll give you a study guide, etc. Just like I would in class, I would announce it, okay? I'll announce it on here as well. So don't worry, it's not just gonna be like, surprise, okay? You'll know about it, okay? So that is one thing. And then the other thing I wanted to talk about was, when I have been talking with students, a lot of students are having trouble with managing time and at home, because you don't have a set schedule like you do at school. Well, on the Waves remote learning homepage, I have put a distance learning organizer. Now, this organizer looks like this. And if you look, it has a spot for all your classes. Now, I left the ones down here blank because all of you have different UAs. But you kind of put in a time, what you need to do for each of those days. If you look across the bottom, there's different tabs for each week. So you can change the tab to update the week as well, okay? So this is to help you kind of create a daily schedule for yourself and kind of get what you need to do done, okay? So the only other thing I wanted to talk about prior to saying goodbye to you guys for today is that I have 2 extra help sessions a week, or I have been doing 2 extra help sessions a week. So starting next week, I'm moving the days just to fit with this new flex day. So Monday at 9:30, I will have an extra help session with Zoom. And then Wednesday at 12:45, I will have an extra help session with Zoom. Now, those will be on repeat every week. There'll be one on Monday and one on Wednesday, okay? So if you're have a question or a general question, you just want to log on, you can do that. If you don't feel comfortable logging onto the general Zoom and you just want to make sure you're one-on-one with me, just send an email and I will set up that with you as well, okay? So if you guys have any questions, I am here for you, okay? I hope this is going well. I know the remote learning is tough, but we kind of are starting to get into a little bit of a groove now, so I hope you guys are feeling the same way. If you're not, please reach out to me because I want to support you the best I can, okay? Have a great day.